Life is all about collecting memories, not stuff. Yet somehow, our closets, basements, garages, and even storage units are packed with things we barely touch. Why is that? Are you really going to use that old exercise bike that's so rusty it might not even move anymore? Probably not. Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to tackle the clutter and make some decisions. What should you keep? What can be sold, given away, or tossed? In this video, we'll walk you through a simple process for spring cleaning, helping you figure out the best action for each item in your home. Remember, life isn't about collecting things, so let's dive in and get started. Spring cleaning isn't just a tradition, it has real benefits for your mental and physical health. Here's how it can help you. Number one, reducing clutter and creating a more organized living space. Number two, making your home easier to clean and maintain. Number three, boost your mental health by cutting down on stress and anxiety caused by too much clutter. Number four, creating a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. When you're decluttering, it helps to break things down into four categories: sell, give away, throw out, and keep. Let's walk through each one to help you decide where everything belongs. Number one, sell. If something's still in good shape and has value, like clothes, furniture, or electronics, consider selling it. There are plenty of online platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark where you can list these items. Local consignment shops are also an option. Number two, give away. For items that are in good condition but not worth the hassle of selling, giving them away is a great choice. Donate to local charities, thrift stores, or community centers. You can also pass things along to friends or family who might need and appreciate them. Number three, throw out. If it's broken, damaged, or just unusable, it's time to let it go. Make sure to dispose of things responsibly by following your local recycling and waste guidelines. Number four, keep. Of course, not everything has to go. Keep the items you use regularly, those with sentimental value, or things that serve a real purpose in your home. Be honest though, if you haven't touched something in over 3 years, that is not using it regularly, and it probably needs to go. Here are some tips to make your spring cleaning smoother and more effective. Number one, set goals. Before you start, set clear goals for what you want to achieve. This helps you stay focused and motivated. Number two, create a schedule. Break it down by room or area and tackle one space at a time. A schedule will make the project more manageable. Number three, be honest with yourself. As you sort through things, ask yourself, do I need this? Do I use it? Do I love it? If the answer is no, it's probably time to let it go. Number four, involve the whole family. Make it a team effort. Assign tasks based on each person's strengths or preferences. Number five, celebrate your progress. Once you've finished a room or even just a small task, take a moment to appreciate what you've accomplished. It will keep you motivated. Number six, inventory your house. If you're feeling extra ambitious, take this time to inventory your valuable items like jewelry and electronics. And when you're organizing things, pretend you're packing for a move. It'll make things easier to find what you need later. Number seven, create a system for help. Not sure about letting something go? Put it in a bag or box, store it somewhere like your basement, and set a reminder for 3 to 6 months. If you haven't needed it by then, it's probably time to let it go. You can do the same with clothes by turning hangers backwards and seeing what hasn't been worn. Spring cleaning is a great chance to clear the clutter and decide what really belongs in your life. By using the 4 category system, sell, give away, throw out, and keep, you'll create a more organized and comfortable living space. Thanks for watching, and congrats on taking the next step towards a better life. We hope you'll keep coming back to our channel for more helpful content. Even if it's a topic you think you know, you never know what new tips you might pick up. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, please subscribe to our channel for more great content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. At Adulting 101, we're here to help you thrive, not just survive.